Hi, this is Chanchal. Today I'm going to tell you how to create your very first JavaScript program. Let's begin. Firstly, you have to open your editor. Here I am using Visual Studio Code. And now click on the new file. Okay, now I will tell you something about JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language where we have to embed it with the HTML. So to begin with JavaScript, you have to know something about HTML and CSS. Okay, so first thing is you have to save your file. Okay, and you can give your file any name. I'm giving here first JavaScript. Here you have to do the extension HTML always. .html. Okay, then now see your program name is firstjs.html. Firstly you have to write the HTML because you have to embed your JavaScript with HTML. Okay, now HTML, here heading, you can write here any heading like first program. Okay, then below heading, here I'm adding body. In between body, you have to describe here a script where we are going to write our JavaScript programs. This is the layout of our program. Now you can write here your JavaScript coding between the script. Okay, so in very first program, I'm going to write here anything which gives me some output. So I'm writing here document.write or writeln. Here you need the codes, and our first program is hello world. And at the end of the sentence you have to write one semicolon always. Okay, now I will explain you this line. Document means the document of your page. That means the web page. And write whatever you are writing between this double quotes, the same thing you will get in your page. Okay, so now save it and I will see here. Now go to that part where you saved your project. Here I saved my project and that is the first JS. Now double click on this one. Here is your output. That is the first program which we have written in our heading, and hello world is the sentence which we have written in our JavaScript. Hope this will help you. Thanks for watching.